Hi there, my name's James and I am one of the volunteers for the Chinnor and Princess Risborough Railway. We're just outside of Princess Risborough. To my side here is the Princess Risborough Industrial Estate, and to my left is the Network Rail siding that runs into Princess Risborough's platform 3 as well as our own platform 4. It's also what we're currently using to run services between Chinnor and Princess Risborough. Now the idea is, where I'm stood now, it's a bit of a vast space, is where another line used to be, and that used to be part of the Princess Risborough to Watlington Railway, originally under Great Western Railway. Now, unfortunately, it was in a bit of a state. It's been removed, but we are looking to reinstate it to run our services entirely over it, and we're calling that the independent line. Now, we've got a tiny bit of the way, which is just down there. We've only got a short bit currently in the process of being made, but ideally we need the funds to be able to purchase new track, new rail, new ballast. The idea is, instead of us having to use Network Rail's branch, we're going to use our own line, which allows us to run more services, and we don't have to rely on, if, let's say for example, Chiltern Railways have an issue and they need to turn back one of their trains, we don't have to wait for them to get out of the way. We'll have our own dedicated service. We can run as many services as we like between Princess Risborough and Chinnor via Tame Junction, which is just down there, which used to be the original junction where Princess Risborough obviously runs off to Watlington via Chinnor, but it also used to run off to Oxford via Tame. But in order to complete this, we're looking for donations, and we're also looking for volunteers. So if you think you could help us, if you head on to the description, the link in the description below for the Chinnor Railway, we've got volunteer vacancies, loads of volunteer vacancies, like the more the better. It's a great little railway to work on. It's about 4 miles long, and we're looking to build about a quarter of a mile that way of new track to replace an obviously existing line that fell into a bit of decay over the years. And yeah, so if you think you can help out, even join us on running the railway, because it's entirely volunteer run. Like, I do this outside of my day job because I love working here. Yeah, if you feel like you can help us, check the link in the description below and come join us. Hopefully see you soon.